I'd like to invite Nadia Reza now.
To all the distinguished guests, my teachers, the organizers, the participants and the member of Shah Walayat Educational Trust, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Well, I haven't got anything prepared. I have not written the speech, and I'll tell you why. Somebody happened to ask me a couple of days ago, will you be honest when you speak about your school in today's conference? And I said, yes, absolutely. And why not? For all the good reasons. And when you have all the good reasons to talk about your alma mater, I think you don't have to prepare. It's just that you have to speak your heart out. And that is what I'll be doing today. I stand here proudly, the alumna of batch 2006. And I think I was the second O-levels batch, by the way. And my association with this school goes back to almost 2 decades. Well, how is that? 13 years of my schooling as a student. 8 years I have served this institution. And alhamdulillah, 10 years I have known this place as a parent. So it's very rare that somebody gets to experience their alma mater from all these perspectives as a student, as a parent, and as an employee. Now let me just quickly take you back 20 years, and I'll tell you what Shah Walayat was then. And I still wonder Shah Walayat was ahead of its time 2 decades ago. Our inter-school sports festivals would be held at one of the best facilities in Karachi, that's AKU Sports Rehabilitation Center. Our sports days at National Coaching Center, our drama festivals at Behria Auditorium. Till date, there are schools, they don't host their graduation ceremony, but Shah Walayat had been doing it forever, acknowledging the efforts of their graduates. Our field trips would be to Bhambor and Makli. This is 22 years ago that I'm talking about. Night visits to Sanskrit for the Turtle Watch activity where our textbook learning turned into the real life learning. And of course, how can I forget our visit to India back in 2005? We were told that we were the youngest delegation to travel to India via Wagah border. So it was this institution that gave us all those opportunities to grow, to flourish. As Ms. Nudha just talked about the YES program, like one of my batchmates, you know what? He's still in USA. What does that mean? Provided that you're given the opportunities and you tap it and you make the best use of those opportunities, which Taha is doing. So that's my batchmate from 2006, still in US and doing wonderful there. Through the CS program, he made it there and he's still there. Well, Shah Walayat is a second home for sure. And when I speak on behalf of this institution, maybe I do not speak on behalf of every graduate from this place, but I'm confident that this is the voice of majority of the students who passed out from this institution. There's another thing I would like to share since I'm enrolled in a degree program. So one of my facilitators asked me, what is that one thing that you remember about your favorite teachers? And honestly, I have favorite teachers mostly from this alma mater. And I told my facilitator it is not their content knowledge. I don't remember how they taught me, but I know they taught me really well since I produced really good results, and like all of my batchmates doing O-levels without tuitions and producing some decent results, of course, shows our teachers' content knowledge, and they've been doing really well. But that is one thing I remember about my teachers, and that's their empathetic attitude. They had the content knowledge, they taught us well. But above all, that one trait of understanding your students, have empathy, is so important. And I think even today's time, when we have these conferences and we talk about AI, the use of technology, regardless about our educators and the teachers, if they have their content knowledge, they have a pedagogical knowledge, they have technology, that's a TPAC basically, technology, pedagogical, content knowledge if the teachers have. But to let this flourish, it's important that the entire ecosystem has to change. And teachers with those traits of empathy is just so important, even in today's time. We have, in this fast-paced world, we have our own challenges. There are issues, but then of course comes the opportunities like the AI. the use of technology, integrating that technology into our teaching so that our teaching and learning become more effective. But I think the initiatives like this, and we all have come together to not only be part of this conference, but also to celebrate 35 years, wonderful years for our school, and 10 years for Campus 2. So it's basically our success together, because every single stakeholder of Shah Vilayat has contributed in its own benefit and its own perfect way. So I'd really like to thank each one of you for being here. Dr. Farid, he's the Dean, AKU IAD, and I would take this opportunity to even flaunt about it. He's my teacher also. My Thursdays classes are with him, and I think those Thursdays classes have never been so wonderful, so meaningful, full of intellectual discussion, things that you can't even think. But this is what we experience as we grow. And last but not the least, thank you for having me here. And one last slogan that all the Vilaytians always say, once a Vilaytian, always the Vilaytian. Thank you so much.